Imagine this. You just finished walking a job site. In the past, you will spend hours writing up a report, crunching numbers, formatting your estimates, and assemble a proposal after a long day in the field. Now, in 2026, you can use your phone. Speak into it for 30 to 60 seconds, and within minutes, a site report is generated, a quote is calculated, a client ready proposal is emailed to you, ready to send. And guess what? This isn't the future. It's happening right now. So in this video, I'm going to break down how construction companies just like yours are using AI tools today to win more bids, close deals faster, and take the busy work off of your plate. So whether you're a foreman, estimator, office manager, admin, owner, this is the competitive edge you've been looking for. So construction leaders across the country are done with wasting hours with admin stuff. And today I will walk you through exactly how AI tools like SiteVoice.ai are changing the game when it comes to site reporting, quote generation, and building winning proposal that lands deals. So I will break this down for you. Let's get into step one, from site walks to automated site reports. Here's the problem. So after every job walk, someone has to jot down notes. And I've seen it before. People write down their notebooks or trying to write on their phones, take photos with the phones, and then wait till they get back into their truck to write on the laptop or go back into the office and spend hours compiling all this information into a report. Now, here's the AI solution. With voice-first solutions like SiteVoice.ai, your team just has to speak to the phone, say their observation out loud on the site, and then the system will transcribe what is said in real time, automatically tags the locations and areas, attach relevant images, produces a formatted PDF report sent directly to email and available for download, or have the report saved to your project dashboard. So no more handwriting, no more spending the next 2-3 hours after you get home from work writing down your report, just results, and it's fast. All right, and let's get into step two. Quick quote estimations without the crazy math headaches. So here's a problem I have observed. Estimating costs for materials and labor can either be a lot of guesswork or just tied up waiting for an estimator to find time. An AI fix is AI-powered large language model tools can now be trained on your specific pricing structures and job cost data to generate accurate estimates in seconds, adjust for scope, scale, or location. So you go from a site visit to a ready-to-price quote while you're still in your vehicle. That means faster turnaround, better margins, and more closed jobs. Like, how awesome is that? Like, this is a game changer for a lot of contractors out there. Now, let's get into step three. This is the final stage when it comes to bids, right? So step three, another barrier is proposal generation that wins deals. So here's the common problem I have noticed with contractors. So after the estimation is usually the proposal, and you usually have to format it into a clean, professional, persuasive document, and you need that for closing. But it's also another barrier. More time has to be spent to create these proposals. So here's the AI fix. The AI fix is AI takes your reports and auto-generates a client-facing proposal, complete with scope of work, visuals from your site visit, line item pricing, edit sections for terms, timelines, and custom notes. It's polished, it's professional, and it's done for you automatically. And you get an email with the file, ready for your review, and then hit send. Tweak it as needed. But the point is it's already been generated for you. So that saves you another hour or two having to write that proposal by hand. All right, so here's the new workflow. Let's get into step four. So workflow diagram, the new way construction wins at bids, right? And this doesn't only apply to construction. It can be for restoration companies, contractors, HVAC plumbers. So this is a real world application that has multiple use cases. So I do want to walk through a workflow that companies are rolling out today. So you see in the first step, you and your team are on a job site. Site work needs to be documented. You're taking notes. You take pictures of your work. And then you can use a tool like SiteVoice.ai to speak your observation and take pictures. And then the report and images, along with the quick quote estimation tool that you can use in SiteVoice.ai, the AI tool will take all that data and then generate an actual report like you see here. And this gets completed in less than 60 seconds. The speed and accuracy of generating a report is outstanding. So this is a real edge. And the best part is, this is all happening on a single platform. And you can have all your reporting done within less than 15 minutes of leaving a job site. So by the time you go from the job site and back to the office, the reports are already done, sitting in your email inbox. So imagine doing 10 bids in the time it used to take you 2. So that is not just time saved we're talking about here. Now we're talking about revenue being multiplied. And let me tell you why this matters now in 2026 and beyond. So let me be direct. Companies who adopt AI tools and strategies will be closing more deals. And a lot of them are doing that today, because when you close more deals, your customers are going to respond faster. Another reason why is that it looks more professional. Of course, for your clients, they love fast and clean proposals. And because of your speed and your accuracy and the quality of the proposals, winning jobs from slower competitors stuck in outdated methods, right? So as you adopt AI into your workflow starting today, then you will be light years ahead compared to competitors who are still doing writing by hand proposals. And most importantly, you're giving your field teams hours back every week to focus on profitable work, not just paperwork. So if you're ever someone who's like, I don't have time to grow, or I just don't have time to adopt and change, listen, those who adopt and change in 2026, you're going to win more bids compared to the ones who don't. So it's time to automate the tasks that aren't making you money. So let this part of your bid process be automated. And here's the truth. You're not losing bids because your work isn't good. You're losing bids more than likely because someone else is submitting theirs faster, cleaner, and more professional before you even got started on your quotes. So when I tell you that AI can be your competitive edge, it's a modern day power tool that's really going to build up your revenue stream a lot quicker. So if you want to see exactly how systems like SiteVoice.ai can streamline your reporting, quoting, and proposal, there is a link down below for to check out SiteVoice. There is a 7-day free trial for you to test it out. And for those who don't know me, my name is Christina. I am the founder of Afrix AI, and we specialize building powerful AI solutions that's going to help you increase your revenue. All right, so if you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. That way you don't miss the next video. And I'll be showing you some more real examples of use cases using AI to help you grow your business. All right, sounds good. See you guys in the next video. Take care.